How to fix Discord icon not showing. Today guys, I will show you the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. Now first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. After this, go to apps or applications. As you can see here, you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. So you will search just for Discord. When you found Discord, just open it like this and then go directly to storage. On storage, go to clear data and click OK, and go back and click on for stop and click OK. And don't forget, the last things is to go into Play Store and update in your Discord again. And that's it. I hope the guys this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, also subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.